Jay!
What's up, Aunt?
What are shoes made of?
Shoes? I guess leather and rubber. It depends on the shoe.
Okay, but what's leather made of? What's rubber made of?
Are you feeling okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. We just have so much stuff around the house. I know what it all is, but not what it's made of.
You really want to know?
Yeah.
All right, check it out. Everything around us is made up of something called matter.
Everything?
Everything. This shoe, matter. These laces, matter. That little piece of dirt stuck in the sole, matter. Matter is anything that takes up space. We measure the amount of matter in an object using a measurement called mass. My chair has a greater mass than your glasses. This penny has less mass than my shoe.
Okay, but what's matter made of?
Are you serious?
I want to know.
Matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Atoms that are bonded together are called molecules. Water is made up of a whole bunch of water molecules.
Wait, water is matter too?
Everything is matter. Water, air, rocks.
But I can't just go and pick up air like I pick up a rock.
Okay. Matter exists in three main states: solid, liquid, and gas. You can tell what state matter is in by looking at it, all right?
Oh, like the wall is solid. So is the TV.
Yep. This controller's a solid, wood is a solid.
And water is a liquid. So is milk.
Syrup, gasoline.
And the air around us is a gas.
So is helium in a balloon or carbon dioxide that gets sucked up by trees. Feel better?
Yeah. Never mind.
Go ahead.
What makes a solid solid? A liquid liquid? A gas gas?
I'd be making fun of you right now if that wasn't such a great question. It has to do with how much energy the molecules have and how close together or far apart they are. Solids have a set size and shape. Molecules in a solid are packed together tightly and don't really move. Solids might be hard or soft, and it's usually tough to change their shape. Liquids have a set size or amount, but not a set shape. They take the shape of the container they're in.
Oh, like water in a glass.
The molecules in a liquid are packed less tightly together than in a solid. They move around more freely. Liquids can be wet or slippery or sticky. You can measure how much space a solid or liquid takes up using a measurement called volume.
What about gases?
Well, gases don't have a definite volume. They don't have a set size or shape either. They can expand within a big container or squeeze into a tiny one. Oh, but gases do have mass.
So are the molecules packed less tightly together than they are in a liquid?
Okay, Aunt. Yeah. And because of that, they move around very freely. Some gases are invisible, some have odors, some don't smell like anything.
Yeah, I can't see or smell air.
Yep. And you can't ask me any more questions either. All right, one more.
Can matter change from one state to another?
Let's think this through. Water is a liquid, right?
Right?
And what happens when water gets cold?
It freezes.
Into
Ice.
Now, is ice a liquid?
No, it's a solid.
See? When you take away heat, you take away energy. The molecules in water slow down as they get colder and eventually stop moving. Liquid becomes solid.
Whoa.
Now, remember when I left that boiling pot of water on the stove for too long?
Yeah, like half the water disappeared.
What do you think happened to it?
I don't know.
It evaporated. When liquid water gets really hot, it evaporates into a gas called water vapor.
Oh, when you add heat, you add energy. And the molecules move faster and faster, right?
Yes. And they get looser and looser until the liquid becomes a gas. When matter changes states, it's still the same matter. Its molecules are just arranged differently. Now, can I get back to this game?
One last thing. Is it possible to melt a shoe into liquid?
Get out of my room.